Step 1. Enter the numbers you want to convert into Roman numerals in column A. For example, let's use the numbers 1, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Step 2. Select the cell where you want the Roman numeral to appear, corresponding to the first number. In our case, this is cell B1. Step 3. Enter the following formula in cell B1. This formula converts the number in cell A1 to a Roman numeral. Step 4. Press enter. You should see the Roman numeral for 1, which is I appear in cell B1. Step 5. To apply this formula to the rest of the cells in column B, click and drag the fill handle down to cell B6. This cell will automatically adjust the formula for each row. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.